This year we all worked remotely.
Not right now. I'm right here.
Right here. I mean, I still come in the studio, you still come in the studio, but a lot of people have been working remotely this year, and it's just hard to collaborate with the people that you work with when you don't see each other face to face.
Yeah, and in fact, remote work is becoming the norm, and having effective communication skills in a virtual environment, it's a really good skill to have.
Yeah, game changer. See, seeing somebody in person makes everything easier to understand. When you are on a phone call or a video call, you have to speak slower and clearer just to make sure other people get the information they need.
Yeah, like right now, we're having to communicate with you. And remember, when you're on virtual calls, dead space is okay. You don't have to fill every single moment with the sound of your voice. In fact, people can latch onto information better if there isn't a bunch of unnecessary fluff.
Yeah. The other thing I find it very important is it's very vital to understand what other people's schedules are like, right? Video chats make it harder to read other person's mood or expressions, and just make sure it's a good time to talk.
Yeah, and keep a schedule. I know it's a very loosey-goosey world that we live in, but setting specific times to talk is a good way to make sure everyone is staying productive, and dropping in or out of the blue can create a level of chaos to the meeting and cause whomever you're talking to feel unprepared.
Yeah. See, and one note from our producers to me is, Julia, make sure you're not intruding other people's personal time, because sometimes I do that. The work
You
day.
don't say.
The work day tends to run longer these days. Some people are at home. The line is very blurry between work and personal time, and some people ping you after hours just because you or me want to extend the day. It doesn't mean everybody else wants to.
Yeah.